Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Car Thief Gets K9 Karma.
Police officers responded to an ongoing pursuit of a stolen 2002 silver Mazda. The suspect behind the wheel was 35-year-old Dale, who within seconds would take officers on a wild chase through residential neighborhoods at dangerously high speeds.
Oh, I hear him. I hear the dog. See, the dog must know when he hear them sirens. Ooh, it's time to work.
Alright, you just turn around northbound.
Back roads. Pit.
About the 20, or about the 3,000 block you just fitted. Say like switching over. 29 floors. They're trying to fit again.
Ah, he keep hitting the brakes.
Pulling near yard, 3,000 block. Outside of the road.
Wow, he just pulled in someone's.
Alright, we need to go forward.
Damn.
Go southbound in somebody's backyard.
Yo, that's crazy. Now, I wonder, this is what I wonder, right? For property damage, right? I know the guy's insurance, if he has insurance, but is going to pay for that. But let's say he doesn't have insurance, right? Would the cops have to help pay for the damages as well, because they also went through it? But they didn't they're not the first ones to break it. They went after, but I wonder if the police department will have to pay for help pay for some of the damages as well.
Split channel 131.7. Everybody else has channel 2.
This is so goddamn crazy.
Behind the house is 5308.
He just messing everybody's house up, man.
Alright, we are eastbound 52nd Street, pulling up to the T intersection. Let me know if you go north. I'm on 44th Avenue, 46th Street. South.
Ooh. Oh shit. Got him. Oh, he took off. Oh, the dog is out. The dog is out. Look at the dog.
I'm just trying to make you aware.
I got him together. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Look at the dog go.
I'm just trying to make you aware.
Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Help, please!
Yo, he bit his ass.
Let go of the dog! He's got my finger, please stop! Let go of the dog! I don't got it, dude! He's got my finger! Please stop, please stop, please stop! Son of a big calm up, bro! Hey, you're killing the dog! I'm sorry, please, thank you. You better be back, and please, sir, thank you. I got that, sir. Let us handle this. Please step away.
Wait, who the hell is this guy? What he said? You better be glad, because I would have shot him. Oh, come on. It's always the tough guys after the incident. Come on, man.
Please stop, please stop, please stop! Son of a big calm up, bro! Hey, you're killing the dog! I'm sorry, please, thank you. You better be back, and please, sir, thank you. I got that, sir. Let us handle this. Please step away. Please, go over there, please, so we don't have to watch our backs and everything. Kilo 10-15 dog bite. Medics.
The pursuit lasted 21 minutes, reaching a top speed of 70 miles per hour. According to the Marion County Sheriff's Office, Dale had been arrested by the agency 13 times since 2006. Before officers conducted a quick search, Dale mentioned something in his possession that gave them a hint about who they were dealing with.
Larry, just slow anybody else down.
What pocket?
I don't know.
You don't know? Roll to that side.
I don't know. There's traffic's out.
Good boy.
Get out of the way, get out of the way. Yeah, he's mean right now. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Tuck that leg. We're going to roll up to that knee. Stand up. Gotcha.
See, that canine, that canine officer knows his dog, man. He said, he told the other, move. Like, now is not the time. It's not the time to be played. He know what time. There's a good. I love this interaction right here, man. He's like, move. Like, this ain't that time. He in one of them moods, and you gotta know your dog. You know what I mean? You gotta know your dog.
Good boy.
Get out of the way, get out of the way. Yeah, he's mean right now. Good job. Good job.
Good boy.
Good job.
Tuck that leg. We're going to roll up to that knee. Stand up. Gotcha.
Ooh, that dog got him together, boy.
Just needles, it looks like. They're not loaded.
Hey, you better be lucky. I got double buckshot, double barrel.
And he's running on your property.
I'm stuck driving there.
Try to ram you there.
Well, I saw
Double
you start backing
buckshot.
up, and I'm like, oh crap, he's coming through that fence.
Yeah. I didn't want him to hit me.
I was like, this is fun.
Dude, he ran me out into the woods, right?
Well,
into a spot where it was literally 2 trees this wide where his car fit and I had to stop.
yeah, but most of it was like that.
Well,
He was
so
going through fences.
Yeah, well, so I bailed him out because I thought he got stuck. And we're running through the woods. I'm like, I don't know where the car's at, guys. And they came out and they're like...
It popped out on... Because I was on 30th Court on the other side.
Yeah.
He didn't come out of 30th Court. He went through a couple yards and came out through a driveway.
He's a good driver, dude. He
could drive. I tried pitting him like 4 times.
Yeah.
He kept driving us. That's the only reason I was able to pit. He just kept going in circles.
Yeah.
Because I was so far behind.
You got anything else on you, boss? No?
I can relieve that patrol officer right there, please. So,
Kick your shoes off, boss.
signal forward on
I have to look, it was the intersection or two before Mayor Camp and Baseline.
Yo, how old are these dogs? 2 weeks?
Yeah, I work hard.
Those things are ripe.
EMS is on their way. He got bit, right?
Oh, yeah. On the butt and the finger.
Yeah.
Hello, gentlemen.
Got like 400 bit. Just like trying to get off there.
This young man here got bit by a canine. I think on the butt and definitely the finger.
Where you bit at?
Move your hand.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Okay.
The finger was in there, so.
Alright. So we go to the hospital?
That's up to him.
Alright. You want to just get cleaned up? Or?
Kilo.
I want to see what it looks like.
We're transporting, right, Sarge?
Hey, somebody has an open mic.
Yeah. No, we are going to transport.
Where'd you get
We
bit
just
at?
on the butt and the finger.
I'm not touching him with mine.
Yeah, makes sense.
Sorry, Kilo 1, got an open mic.
Arm up. Pull the arm up further. You're a big boy. Alright, check underneath here.
That's from the CM.
Let's just make sure. Where else did you get bit? Anywhere besides your butt? Just your finger? Anywhere else besides your finger and your butt? Did you get a picture of the finger?
No.
You can get a better one.
Blood, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Dale was treated at the hospital and then transported to the Marion County Jail. He was charged with auto theft, aggravated fleeing and eluding, 5 counts of leaving the scene of a crash involving property damage, and driving with a suspended license for the 4th time. 3 years later, on June 12th, 2025, Dale was killed while riding a bicycle at 2 a.m. after being struck by a 2025 Chevy Malibu driven by an intoxicated driver. YouTube thinks you'll love the
What a plot twist. Yeah, man. See, you've been causing havoc. You've been causing havoc since 2000, what they say, 2008, 2006, something like that. In and out of jail, in and out, always getting locked up, and now they done took you out of here, man. It is what it is, man. That's the nature of the beast. It's messed up, but you know, it is what it is, man. It may sound cold, but come on, man. You can't keep doing wrong and then expect it not to come around. You know what I mean? It's gonna come around at some point. Auto theft, stealing, breaking people's property, this, that. Like, come on, what the hell? You have not been a productive member of society. So it is what it is, man. Drunk driver that ended up offing you. It is what it is, man. That shit sucks, but whatever. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.